In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add a Santa hat to any photo in Photoshop and create a fun, festive holiday edit in just a few simple steps. This is a really easy effect, and it's perfect if you want to give a portrait or casual photo a cheerful Christmas look without spending a lot of time editing. The nice thing about this method is that it only takes a minute or two, but it can make your image feel much more playful and seasonal. To get started, open your photo in Photoshop. Once your image is on screen, bring in a Santa hat PNG by dragging and dropping it directly into your document, or by pasting it onto the photo. A PNG file works best here because it usually has a transparent background, which makes it much easier to place the hat naturally over your subject without having to cut anything out first. After the hat is added, press Ctrl and T on Windows, or CMD and T on Mac, to activate Free Transform. This is the main tool you'll use to make the Santa hat fit the image properly. Click and drag the corners to resize the hat so it matches the scale of your subject's head. Then rotate it as needed and move it into position. The goal is to make it look like the hat is actually sitting on the head, rather than floating above it, or looking too large or too small. Take your time during this part, because small adjustments make a big difference. Try changing the angle slightly so it follows the tilt of the head, and pay attention to where the brim of the hat rests. A realistic placement usually means the bottom edge sits comfortably around the top of the head, instead of covering too much of the face or sitting too high. If you need a little more control while lining things up, switch to the Move tool and fine-tune the position. This helps when the hat is almost perfect, but just needs a tiny nudge left, right, up or down. These final tweaks are what help sell the effect and make the edit feel more polished. Once you're happy with the size, angle and placement, your holiday edit is complete. That's all it takes to add a fun Christmas touch to almost any photo in Photoshop. It's quick, simple, and a great way to create an eye-catching festive image with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Photoshop tutorial.